Are you curious about the secret habits of the wealthy? In this video, we're diving into the surprising truth about how the wealth manage their finances. It's not about reckless spending. It's about strategic choices and smart investments. If your goal is to flaunt wealth without actually building it, this video might not be your cup of tea. But if you're here to learn how to accumulate real riches, stay tuned. First up, quality over quantity. Wealthy individuals focus on purchasing high-quality items that last longer, rather than being swayed by the allure of trendy, yet often transient fashion items. They understand that a higher upfront cost for quality can mean better value over time, as these items need not be replaced as frequently. This approach extends beyond fashion to include electronics, vehicles, and even home furnishings. Second, the overpriced home dilemma. Many wealthy people avoid pouring a significant portion of their wealth into expensive homes. They recognize that a home, while a valuable asset, should not be a financial burden or hinder other investment opportunities. High-end homes often come with substantial maintenance costs, property taxes, and can sometimes be difficult to liquidate. Instead, the affluent may opt for modest homes and allocate their funds to more lucrative investment. Third, smart investing. Affluent individuals typically invest in businesses or sectors they understand deeply. This allows them to make informed decisions based on their knowledge and expertise. By avoiding investments in unfamiliar territories, they reduce the risk of substantial losses. This principle is akin to Warren Buffett's philosophy of staying within one's circle of competence. Number 4, luxury with caution. While not opposed to luxury, the wealthy often scrutinize the long-term value of high-end items. They're wary of purchasing luxury goods solely for the brand name or status symbol. Instead, they seek items that offer enduring quality or appreciate in value, like classic timepieces or fine art. Before we move on, make sure you smash that like button. Number 5, impulse buying. Wealthy people are usually disciplined in their spending. They resist impulse purchases, understanding that these can quickly erode wealth. By planning their purchases and avoiding spontaneous spending, they ensure that their expenditures align with their broader financial goals. 6, latest tech gadgets. Contrary to the stereotype, many affluent individuals do not chase the latest technology releases. They prefer to use their existing gadgets to their full lifespan and upgrade only when there is a significant technological advancement or necessity. They rather not buy the new iPhone every year just because it's new. This approach helps them avoid unnecessary expenditures on slight upgrades. Number 7, TV and entertainment. Surprisingly, the wealthy often spend less on TV and entertainment. They may view excessive screen time as a distraction from more productive activities, such as building businesses, networking, or engaging in personal development. Instead of costly cable packages, they might opt for selective subscriptions that align with their specific interests or for educational content. Number 8, alcohol consumption. Many successful people consciously limit or avoid alcohol. This is partly due to the desire to maintain a clear mind and optimal health, both of which are crucial for making sound business decisions and maintaining a productive lifestyle. Additionally, avoiding alcohol can help in managing expenses, as frequent drinking, especially of expensive wines or spirits, can add up financially. Number 9, avoiding debt for depreciating assets. One key habit of the wealthy is avoiding debt, especially for items that lose value over time. While it's common to see people financing cars, gadgets, or even vacations, affluent individuals tend to borrow only when it leads to value creation. For instance, they might take on a mortgage for a property that appreciates or a business loan for a venture with growth potential. By steering clear of high-interest debt on depreciating assets, they ensure their money is used in ways that enhance their wealth in the long run. As we wrap up, remember that these habits are not just for the rich, but for anyone aspiring to financial freedom. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. Share this video to inspire others, and let's all achieve financial success together.